In SAP EWM, resource management ensures that warehouse tasks are completed efficiently. It involves managing both human labor and equipment to ensure optimal use of resources. In this video, we will cover how SAP EWM configures and manages resources to streamline warehouse tasks. Resources in SAP EWM include workers, material handling equipment like forklifts, and RF devices used for real-time task execution. Configuring these resources ensures that the right people and equipment are available to complete tasks like picking, packing, or moving goods. For example, if a task requires moving heavy goods, the system will assign a worker who is trained to operate a forklift. Resource types categorize resources based on their capabilities. For instance, one resource type might represent workers who specialize in picking, while another represents workers skilled in packing. Similarly, resource types for equipment include forklifts or conveyors. By classifying resources into types, the system can allocate the right resources to the appropriate tasks, improving efficiency. Resource groups allow resources with similar functions to be grouped together. For example, all workers qualified to operate forklifts can be grouped into one resource group, allowing tasks to be assigned to any available worker in the group. This flexibility ensures that the workload is distributed evenly, preventing bottlenecks or idle resources. One of the key tools for real-time warehouse task execution is the radio frequency RF framework. RF devices enable workers to receive task assignments, scan barcodes, and update the system in real time. For example, workers can scan items as they pick them, ensuring that the warehouse management system stays up to date with real-time inventory changes. In the next video, we'll explore how SAP S/4HANA integrates with EWM to ensure smooth data exchange between the two systems.